Hello guys, today you can observe our topic is polymorphism. So in object oriented programming, polymorphism is nothing but a backbone. So we have seen some concept like inheritance, we have seen constructor, so it comes under the object oriented concept. So now our next concept is polymorphism. So it means that same function name can be used for different types. Same function name means their name will be same. For example, in our day-to-day life, more than two people, suppose their names are same. Suppose two students are there and their names are same, but it doesn't mean that their behavior is same. It doesn't mean that their way of working is same. Suppose two student name, both names are Ajay, and one is an engineer and second is a doctor, so they will do the different task. Okay, so this is the means same concept we are having in the coding in the form of polymorphism. So polymorphism means we take two function or more than two, but their name will be same and they have the different type of role or different type of task in the program. So that is what the polymorphism. So in the example we will take a addition operator. For example, you see here we have assigned these two variable with value 1 and 2. We are performing the addition, so output will be 3. So plus is used for just addition operation here. Now in the second example we are using as a string, because string one value is not a number, it is containing a string message Python, then programming. So our output is Python programming because we are using this plus operator for adding this two string value, and here we are using for doing a calculation, and our task is to perform the addition of this two number, and here our task is to join that two string. So they have basically different tasks, but we are using a same operator plus, but they are performing here addition and here joining the two string. So that is what you can say exactly, it is nothing but a polymorphism. So plus here it is been used to carry out different operation like we have seen here. This is one of the most occurrence of polymorphism in Python. Then next one is function polymorphism. For that we have the example of length function. So you can observe this example. If you use like that, it will count the total characters. So total 9 are there, you can count it. So here output is 9. In the second one we are taking three separate string Python, Java and C, and it is separated by comma. So its output is 3. It is counting number of string, not a character. In the third one we have used in a different format. Okay, in the third one we use curly brace and within a bracket, and you see the name colon John and then address colon Nepal. So this syntax is nothing but the same as a dictionary that you have learned. It is containing the key, so it will count the total key. First key is name, second is address, so output will be 2. In first one we just use a string in double quote, it's a normal one, so it will count the character. In the second one we use a bracket. You see inside the bracket we are using a value like list, so it will count the number of string, and here it will be treated as a dictionary, so it will count the key. So in this way we are using a same function name, but it is performing different role. That role is slightly different because we are carrying with the different types. Okay, so you see same function name, it will count length of the string, it can be used to count number of atom and the number of key. So as we have seen, we can use a plus operator, len function for taking out different tasks, even though their names will be same each time. So polymorphism can be carried out through inheritance with subclass, making use of base method or overriding them, that we will see. So next category is types of polymorphism. Here we have method overloading, and it's an example of compile time polymorphism. Suppose you have already seen C++ or Java, you can easily understand. So method overloading is a compile time polymorphism, means that methods are checked by the compiler before running the program, is at the time of compilation. Okay, so in this more than one method of the same class share the same method name having different signature. See, we have the class A. Both the method names are same, function 1 and 1, but you see their signature is different. Here we are passing one value through A, we are passing the two values through A and B, and they are showing then output, so their signature is different. It means that they are going to perform different tasks. Okay, but here Python doesn't support method overloading, but it may achieve in other way. So in this tutorial we will see practically how it doesn't support, and we will find the solution for that. And so now here we will go in the practical session, and we will see there what exactly method overloading in practically, and what error we are getting in the Python, and we will find the solution in the next tutorial also. So now we go for the practical session. So here I am in the Python editor, and first we will take one class, and then we have to use a function here. So my function name is product. So here we have used the function name product, and then I take one variable like p equals 2. I will do the addition of this 2 value, and then I would like to print that value. So I will write print with the variable p. So I just copy this code. So now here I want to use same function name because we want to achieve method overloading. We are testing whether Python is really supporting method overloading or not. So it must have different signature. So now here same method name but the different signature, because here we have two parameter and here we are passing the three values. So my code will be same, and here I will do the addition of three values. So we have done the almost our coding is over. So after that we will take one object. My object is simply A, and this is the object of class A. Got it? Now here I will write A dot product. So we have to pass here two value. I will take simple value for your understanding, and there you have to write then A dot again product. We have to pass how many values? Simply three values. So you see, be careful here. You have to use that product function. Here we have to use two value and here three. Now we just run this code, and you see here the error is coming. Okay, so I will just explain this. Now you see, as we are using method overloading, the error is coming. So now what, we will just play with that code. I am using product 1 here and here also product 1. Now we will check whether it is working or not. So you see it is working. First output is 2 and second is 6, because we pass 1 and 2, so its addition multiplication is 2. We pass 1 2 3, so output is coming 6 because it's a multiplication. So when I'm using at a normal function, then it is working. But when I want to use as a method overloading like Java and C++, it is not supporting. You see one more time, it will show the error. Okay, missing required position argument, like that error is coming. So in short, you can understand here it doesn't support the method overloading because we are repeating the same method name in a class. But there are some solution in the Python. You can use it in the other way so that you can achieve that concept. So what about that other way, that we will see in the next tutorial. Otherwise this tutorial will be more tiring for you and it is more longer. So that thing we will see in the next tutorial, how you can achieve method overloading in the Python. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.